Welcome to the instructions video for the Shockley Diode interactive calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate the current voltage relationship in semiconductor diodes using the famous Shockley equation. Whether you're analyzing forward bias, reverse bias, or studying semiconductor behavior, this calculator makes it easy to understand diode characteristics. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key parameters. First, input the reverse saturation current, typically a very small value, like 1 picoamp. Next, enter the applied voltage across the diode, for example 0.6 volts for forward bias operation. Then specify the ideality factor, which ranges from 1 to 2 depending on the diode type. Finally, enter the temperature in Kelvin, such as 300 Kelvin for room temperature. The calculator will compute the thermal voltage and then determine the diode current using the exponential Shockley equation. The results show you the exact current flowing through the junction, helping you understand how small voltage changes create large current variations in forward bias. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.